Builder grade is standard run-of-the-mill. Builder grade homes are usually all the same color for countertops, cabinet, backsplashes. We are taking this builder grade home and putting it to something custom that fits with what the homeowner, our client, is looking for. When you do a custom finish, it gives you the availability to give your signature style and touch to the design. We're doing a 48-inch built-in refrigerator, a drop-in cooktop, as well as a freestanding appliance hood. This island is also going to get larger to give not only more storage, but more seating, so we can sit 6 people around this island to accommodate the entire family. On the back side of this island, in our new design, it's gonna have cabinets to add extra storage for these homeowners. Along with this, we're gonna be adding custom cabinets that fill up this entire bottom space, our lovely shiplap, in order to put a nice big 80-inch TV on this wall. And then we're going to frame out our fireplace to give it a little bit more of a custom feature versus just a black hole on the wall. I feel like Vanna White. In this room, we're going to be adding a custom dining room buffet to kind of bring a focal feature to the dining room. Also in this build, we are going to be adding custom office space, floor to ceiling cabinetry. We're super excited to give this client a custom finish on their forever home.